The moon, which changes signs and visibility every 2.5 days, unearths our internal emotional needs that are kept secret from others, the ones that are safely guarded within our hearts. As it passes through multiple phases each month, the moon gives us time to transform and evolve. Given that up to 70% of our bodies are composed of water, and the moon controls the tides of the ocean, the lunar phases have a lot of control over our lives. Similar to the waves of the ocean, our hearts, emotions, and desires are ever-flowing and changing. The major lunar phases are the new moon, first quarter moon, full moon, and the last quarter or third quarter moon. These are the times that we can change our lives through manifestation. The blue moon, blood moon, and supermoon can boost the potency of the lunar month, which is why they are super important to note as well. The new moon. The monthly new moon brings it home when the sun and moon connect with each other, making this the dark phase of the moon. This is a fantastic, energetic time to set intentions and create abundant possibilities. This is a perfect way to plant those seeds of prosperity. Creating new routines and healthier habits is an amazing way to use this phase best. This is a time in your life when you can really fulfill your greatest expectations and set yourself up for the greatest success. The new moon reflects the zodiac position of the sun in that season. For example, if the sun is in Scorpio, the new moon will also be in Scorpio. Setting an intention is simple. Think of your deepest desire of what you want to add to your life. Then ask the universe for it and light a candle. The goal of the lunar phase, which is set now, should be coming your way as the moon completes its phases. First quarter moon. This is the phase where the moon is 50% lit on the right side, bringing growth and illuminating understanding to your personal connection to the initial lessons of the new moon. This is a test of your commitment to the initial goals. This is a time for you to really appreciate your drive and directional energy. This means you are at the halfway point to understand where you came from and where you still need to go to truly utilize your time wisely. The first quarter moon is the perfect time to assess your intentions and decide what part of your plans need to be revised. Full moon. Once a month, the orbit of the Earth is exactly in between both the sun and the moon. This is known as a full moon, which makes the energy extremely emotional and ready for release. This is a time when we can let go of any negativity in our lives, which can be in the form of addictive habits, toxic relationships, or just throwing away those old items cluttering our space that are no longer needed. The zodiac sign of this monthly occurrence is directly opposite where the sun is located during that cycle. For example, during Leo season, the full moon will be in Aquarius, and during Virgo season, the full moon will be in Pisces. The best activity for the full moon is a lunar bath. The reason is because this is a time of rest. Also, it's a time to honor the moon in all its beauty and TLC that it bestows upon us. Using moon water, you can add Epsom or Himalayan salts to detox the auric field. Crystals such as rose quartz, amethyst, and clear quartz are popular crystals to use that cleanse, heal, and protect, and flowers such as lavender for relaxation and rose petals for love and confidence can boost your vibe during this time. Third quarter moon. The last quarter or third quarter moon is in the phase where the lunar body is lit at 50% on the left side of the moon. This is a cycle that can be quite empowering as we are letting go and releasing all of the things that we want to get rid of from the full moon. Quitting a bad habit, switching positions at work, or changing the direction of your career, ending a toxic situation or relationship, or changing our routines are great things to manifest during this time. This is also a time of reflection when we are deciding how we can move forward, rebuild, or dismantle things in our lives. Blue moon. The term once in a blue moon is a totally real thing regarding the phases of the moon. A blue moon can indicate a second full moon within the same 28 to 30-day lunar cycle. It can also be on a seasonal level when there are 4 moons in a specific season as opposed to 3. On an astrological level, it can also indicate 2 full moons in the same sign in that solar zodiac cycle. This is a magical time as it gives us one more chance to heal, cleanse, and detox our lives. Our intuition is at its strongest during the blue moon, which means it's common to have anxiety. Meditating and resting can help us get through this powerful time. Blood moon. The blood moon is more of a symbolic energy based on the aspect of a lunar eclipse where the earth is exactly aligned between the sun and moon. The sun's color brings a beautiful range of reddish orange to the gorgeous lunar body in the sky. It's also used as a term when 4 lunar eclipses reach totality in a row. In general, the moon's energy is highly intense and can bring an opportunity to manifest great things. The next blood during this time, we will be aware of our conscious desires to change and augment the direction of our lives. Connecting with the past through our ancestors will give us the strength and courage to change the situation for the better. Supermoon. A supermoon is a rare event when the full moon's position is the closest it can get to Earth's orbit. It's like seeing a magical spectacle in the sky that stirs up our internal waters and can look like you can reach up and really touch the surface of the glistening body in the sky. This can also make people act a little over the top, as this event also really affects people here on Earth. Think of it as a full moon on steroids. It's also the perfect energy to fully take advantage for spells, rituals, and manifestation. Supermoons are energetically charged full moons. Therefore, we should use this luminary to make moon water and conserve it for our full moon baths. You can do this by placing bottles or buckets of regular tap water by a window or outside under the moon's glow. Set your personal intention and meditate as you line up bottles or buckets of water by a window or outside. Write a personal letter to the universe and leave it under the buckets or bottles. Let the water sit for 24 hours before or after the supermoon. The moon will charge the water with its energy. You can add herbs or flowers to the water if you like. Moon water is great to bathe in to heal, helps our plants grow when used with them, and gives vibrancy to our crystals when water is used to cleanse them. The following are the moon phases, including dates for the rest of 2023 and 2024, so you can plan well in advance to take advantage of these powerful times. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on our newest videos. Thanks for watching.